My car light does absolutely nothing. As you can see, it is hidden behind that thing right there, so you can't see any of that. And if you hide it any little bit, well, then it's just not going to work. As I've shown you, the light down here is really, really bad. It's down on the bottom. It's not shining on top. In the dark, you can't see a darn thing. I ended up getting this product over here, illuminate around the whole edge. Hopefully gonna look really cool at the end of this. Seems like it comes off pretty easily. All right, let's see. Let me go get some tools. All right, I wanna pull this off so I can test it, just to make sure this is gonna work. The only problem is I'm seeing a couple of different wires here. Oh, okay, it's not that bad. All right, because we're just gonna plug this one into this one. I believe this one would go into, nope, it doesn't. All right, so this one goes in here. This one, 1, 2, 3, 4. The Frunk latch. I'm really curious why there would be a latch right here. Oh, there it goes. Oh, and it's just magnetic. Wow, that is super bright. I got the blue one. I thought it'd be sexier. Actually works. I guess I'll just have to do the best I can hiding all the wires. I don't want to interfere. It's close. That doesn't look too bad. Hide the rest of this under here. They did give me this silly tool to open this up, but I really don't think it's necessary. Or maybe it is. I guess this does work. Yeah, that makes this job a lot easier. That is only leaving a little bit of a gap because it's starting here, and we could have moved it back here, but I didn't interfere with this at all, so behind all this works. This light's still gonna be there. Why is that opening up the frunk? Unless like a baby's in there, and are they gonna understand to actually open the damn thing from inside? Seems weird to me. This is going to really work out well, which we're going to show you right now. Wow, what a difference. Just the glowing rim. Wait for it. Here it comes. Look at how bright that is. You can see everything now. Oh, that's so much better. That is so much better. Wow. And it looks so cool with that ice blue.